Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn how to use the rank function in Power BI using DAX function, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had created calculated columns like calculated tables in Power BI using DAX function. If you have not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. In this video, we are going to create a new column which will be called rank, which will calculate the highest sales. So the highest sales values will have the rank of number 1, and the lowest ones will have the rank of a higher number, depending on how many sales values are in the orders table. We're going to be using the rank X function to do this, and it has several variations. We'll click the Column Tools tab of the ribbon. The last icon is a new column. Click on it and you can see a column has been added. Go ahead and rename the column. So we're going to double-click the word column, and we're going to call it Highest Sales Ranking Highest. And then we're going to get started after the equal sign. And the function we're using is rank X. So if you start typing it formula, you will see it on the list and you can double-click it or highlight it and tab it in. So we can notice this particular function has 5 possible arguments whenever you're looking at the syntax. Arguments that are optional will be in square brackets. So there are 2 required arguments and 3 optional ones. For this example, we'll be using the 2 required arguments, table and expression. For the table argument, we're going to reference the orders table, so it has a separate table argument. So we're going to just start typing the letter O, and the orders table by itself shows up on the list. And we're going to tab that in. Now we're going to do a comma, so I can get to the expression argument. What we're assessing here is a ranking of the sales field in the orders table. So we're going to start typing orders again, and then it'll show me the table as well as all the fields in the table. And we're going to highlight orders, sales, and tab that in. We're ignoring the 3 optional arguments right now, and we can just press enter here so it performs this calculation in the newest column, which is all the way over to your right. Remember, the highest ranking sales would be numbered, starting with 1. The lowest sales values would be higher numbers at this point. We're going to edit the rank X function we just did, because we want to rename it the lowest sales ranking. And we're going to use another argument so that the lowest sales values have the lower rankings, starting with 1, and the highest sales values have the higher ranking numbers. We're going to do our edits in the formula bar. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to double-click the word highest and change it to lowest. And inside the parentheses, we're going to click after order sales, after the closing square bracket, and in between the parenthesis, and we're going to type a comma there and the syntax will show up again. When we type the comma, it's waiting now for the optional value argument, and we want to skip that argument. So we're going to type another comma, and it will advance to the order argument. We have ascending and descending. To have the highest sale, we click on descending. So descending is already highlighted. We're going to tab it in and we're going to press enter. And you'll see that the sales ranking lowest column, it's now doing the opposite. The lower sales values are having the lower number rankings, and the higher sales values are having higher number rankings. That's for this video. In the next video, we will see how to use quick measure function in Power BI, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.